Today we are going to learn how to declare a structure in a custom table. First we create a structure in SC11. In tag structure we add the field we need. Then by going to edit we append the structure. We can insert this structure at any row in the table. So first go on T-code SC11. Then click on this radio button, data type. I have already created one structure. So see, if you want to create a structure, then give the structure name. You are creating a custom structure, that's why your first letter should be either start with Z or Y of your structure name. Click on create. Here the three radio button is scanned, that is data element, structure and table type. Out of these three, what you want to create? I want to create a structure, so click on this structure. After that click on green button. I have already created. And after that click on create. Your structure is created. See, I have created this structure. In my structure, my field is created by, created on, created time, change by, change on, change time. Then save, check and activate. After that you add this structure in your custom table. In previous class I have already created one custom table, that is Z employee MAS key. So go on this and I have already included my structure. So first if you want to add your structure, click on the row whether you want to add your structure. You can add it on any row, in any between of your field or at the end or at the starting. So select first that row and go on edit, go on include and insert. Here you will pass your structure name, then again save, check and activate. Any action you perform, then you need to again save, check and activate. Go on utilities, table content, then display. Yeah, save it. Actually little bit slow server, that's why. Then do effect and see whatever the field we have added in structure, that field has come, that is created by, created on, created time, change by, changed on, change time. Then go back and suppose if you don't want to show some fields at the front end label, then you need to go on setting, field selection, whatever the field you don't want to show at your screen, then uncheck it, then again save and activate. That field is not visible. In this way you will add your structure. Dot include will help to add our structure, and in this way you will hide or show your field. We have done in this class how to create a structure and how to add our structure in our custom table. That's all about today. In further class we will discuss more. Thank you.